Just received a box from a friend. It's Advan, and then something very worrying to me because see, you shake, there's a sound. When normally these type of boxes, if you heard there's a sound, that means there's a bad news. Something inside maybe had broken or had come loose. So I don't know. It's still sealed. I got it from my friend sealed. So fingers crossed. I'm gonna check why it's making the sound. See, it shakes violently. Oh, there's the figure. Lucky. That's normally if you buy mini GT or what, you shake the box got sound. Bad news, man. I got few times I got the car. If you shake the box, got sound like that, means something inside the car had broken. Okay, good. Yes, I thought something bad happened. So you get a figure and the car. Wow, so nice. This one, I like the Advan livery car. This one, the door does open. I think the hood also open. Yeah, the hood also open. Okay, so false alarm. Everything came good. Thanks.